Hi, I am Mouza. I am from Oman. I work in Royal Court Affairs. Currently, I held the position of Assistant Director of a Structural Department. Participating in this program will enrich and will enhance my leadership knowledge and skills. That will give me a knowledge of having a good decision maker that will reflect to my organization and my team that I lead. I feel the program is very effective and helpful to address my challenges, starting from meeting different peoples from different nationality, that what I believe it will challenge my mindset and beliefs. Also, beside what we learn, different type of styles of leaderships that I weren't aware about it. And the environment that created for the program was excellent. It was friendly environment. We learn a lot of leadership skills through the games that will get us a chance to interact and communicate with other leaders, as well as the videos that we watch it and we learn from the video the different leadership skills. We starting from the Hogan assessment. That it's really, it was like a good and nice experience for me to assess myself and to know the shortcoming of myself, that I can improve myself when I go back to my country to be a good leadership, using the different skills that I learned from this program. As well as I want to thank SMU for everything, for their assist, for their help, and their good organization in this program. I also strongly recommended this program for all my friends to come and take a leadership program that will enhance their leadership in their work and in their life.